Want to live in the city, yet feel like you're living in your own private park? Boy, do I have the house for you. Welcome to 267B Riverside Drive. This hidden gem is located on the cusp of vibrant Lockeland Springs in East Nashville. Let's take a look. Nestled in the lush greenery of Shelby Park, golf enthusiasts, you will love being just around the corner from the Shelby Golf Course. You can enjoy endless recreational options, miles of trails, pickleball courts, playgrounds. There is even a dog park. Think this is too good to be true? Wait till you see this house. This home boasts a versatile floor plan that is light, bright, and airy, offering high ceilings and 4 bedrooms offering something for everyone. Check out this gourmet kitchen with pretty tile-to-ceiling backsplash, complete with Viking appliances. Offers a large private yard with 3 covered porches, offering plenty of space to relax and unwind. Are you ready to see more? Call your Nashville Realtor today.